season. I was at work today and decided that it wasn't quite cold enough that all the channels and stuff would freeze over yet, so I decided to run out and take a look, and to my surprise, the channel I'm using hasn't froze over yet. So ran home, grabbed the kayak that's back there in the back of the truck, and I'm gonna attempt to do one more kayak hunt for the day, or for the year. It is snowing, it's blowing about 10 to 15, so perfect. I think a new wave of birds had to have moved in with this cold front of the weather, so gonna get out there in that kayak and try to do or get some birds. I'll try to jump shoot a little bit on the way out, and then I'll get set up on some decoys for this afternoon, and hopefully you know, can get a few down. So anyways, just a reminder, if you like any of my videos, make sure you subscribe. I definitely appreciate your support, and hopefully you're getting something out of these videos. You're learning a little something, and your comments definitely have taught me some stuff too. So make sure you drop a comment, push the like button for me, and let's get going. Okay, just got out here, got set up in a cove, and I've got about 2 dozen decoys out. Jumped a ton of ducks coming in here. Shot once, had a long shot, didn't get it, but anyways, as I was setting up, a good drake pin swung by, and if I would have been in my kayak ready, he would have been in shooting distance. But anyways, here we go. It's still snowing. It'll be snowing all night. We got a pretty good wind right to our backs, so fingers crossed this works out. All right, first duck down. Drake shoveler out there. Drake shoveler. First duck of the afternoon. Hey, get up! All right, 3 drake spoonies. That's what's wanting to play. So if I have to, I'll shoot 7 of these and get out of here. So when he came in to the decoys, I saw he shot his face off. So he was still flying pretty good, but I ended up chasing him down, finishing him off. So okay, so little update where we're at. Sitting at 4 Drake shovelers right now. It's definitely not what I came out here for. I was hoping for mallards and pintails and cinnamon teal, but it's what's wanting to come in the decoys. I've seen quite a few mallards, but they're sticking back in the thick stuff in the little potholes to where I can't get to. Even to jump shoot them, they'll be gone. So hopefully we can get these last 3 and finish the 7 limit out and get out of here before dark. This wind's really picked up. The cattails I tucked into have really helped be a windbreak for me, so it's not near as cold. When I've gone out to pick up some birds, I can definitely feel that wind when I get out there in the pond. So anyways, hopefully get these last 3 and get out of here before dark. And this pond's probably going to completely freeze over tonight. We're supposed to drop down in the low 20s, so this is definitely the end of it until we go to late season. Alright, so it was pretty slow, hadn't seen anything for a while. So I just had the camera off to save some battery, and all of a sudden I hear wings and there's 2 shovelers in the decoys right in front of me. So hurried and pulled up and blasted them both. I know the one's a drake here. Gotta see if they both are. Keep the drake streak going. Well, the first one's actually a hen. I'm not gonna even show you her. It was a headshot, and there's not much left there, so I'll see if this other one's a drake. Actually, I take that back. This one is actually a very young drake. It is a drake though, so that's cool. Oh, but the second one was a hen here. So, well, that leaves me with 1 to go. And then we can go out and get out of here. So, sorry for not getting that on camera, but it kind of came out of nowhere. Limit. Well, shot my 7th duck. Time to get out of here. The snow's picking up, I'm cold, so that'll give me time to get out of here before it gets completely dark. Little gadwall hen to finish off my last bird. So the snow started sticking to the decoys. I was gonna come out and dunk them, but we were getting close to the end and got the one, wrapped it up. Turned out to be a Snowstorm BEATDOwn, but got a limit. I'm getting out of here. I'm cold. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you later.